Yeah, a couple of days after New Year, and so for the first time I actually stayed in this New Year's Eve, and even my best friend was calling me. I know, right? It's a good thing. It's an amazing thing to do. I can't sell it enough for anyone who just acts like an idiot all over again. I'm done with that. You could. Wow, see, I can't cook. I just drink wine and on my own. I can do very well, but yeah, even my best friend was calling me. She's like, "Stop lying, mate. Just tell me where you're going. Like, is this a good guy?" And I was like, "There's not one. I'm in on my own." If your best friend doesn't believe you, then you won't know that it's time to spend New Year's on your own. And just thinking about that literally a space and a place where you're expected to be, well, you're one person, and then between everyone thinks you're supposed to be a different person after the hour of 12 o'clock. So I smoked, so my mum was like, "New Year's Eve, you're going to stop smoking, right? This New Year's Eve?" And I was like, "No, I'm going to go out at midnight," and I used to want that cigarette to take me until 2 minutes past, and I was like, "Maybe next year," kind of thing. So I did start thinking about how you're literally in limbo. You're in the middle of these two people that the world pressures you to, you're supposed to be, and all the mistakes you have made, and all the ones that you will always make, because it's still you. So this is resolution. The stroke of the first will be a sigh, forfeited to an exact midnight roar. Black satin and 4-ply jumpers will lock flashing antlers, plunging the room into lurid red and shadow. Hope, with a ferocious grin, will thrust his thin hand into yours, shake loose, move on. You'll never hear from him again. Tonight you are newborn, delivered by a nurse soaked in blood and champagne, passed from one stranger to another until they become familiar, until you become used to being held like a bomb by strangers in the middle of the night. Refuse to be held this year by anything other than love, yes. Beginning now you will dance alone and out into a cordial cold to drag the light from the very last cigarette. You will smoke again, but will never love dancing alone. On the first Wednesday of a stainless January, you will wake up with another hymn, another tear in a new dress, but resolve that this is limbo, still, if limbo is the slight parting in legs.